Resorts World in Las Vegas. We're gonna do some Chica Bonita Lightning Dollar Link. I'm going to chase that $16,000 grand because I would like to have it here on my last day in Vegas. I leave tomorrow morning, early tomorrow morning, so what a great way to end my trip, right? You never know. $200 going in. Fingers crossed, thumbs up, let's go. All right, guys, I'm loading it up. $200 in Chica Bonita Lightning Dollar Link. Let's go. We're gonna start with the pennies. Three of these are 6 balls. She's wild. Money back there. Come on. Nice. That's a good hit, y'all. $39. Sweet. That was a great one. Nice. How about a tripper major? A triple major? Anything? I'm gonna do the 100 lines and see what happens. I'm gonna do $3 and $5 bets. Let's see if that gives us anything. Alright. Those lines may have helped us. Now we want the free games when we have more lines, I would imagine. Oh, dang, one away. Oh. Oh, no, not nice. So when you do, nice, okay, we got all the lines, so $3 bet. When you're on 100 lines, the max bet's $10. So this would be like my $1.50 bet at 50 lines. Money. Oh, girls. Oh, you stupid nines. Money. Yes. Oh, many. The minis are $10. So that's $30. We like $30 though. That pays for dinner. Oh, another triple mini. What? And a double, 2 double minis? Are you kidding me? That's actually real good. That's $50 and $50. How about we fill up for $16,000? We really like that. Get in! Oh man! Wow, that was actually pretty good. That's a lot of minis.
That's okay. Yay! That makes me happy.
I would love for that to happen on 10 cents.
Oh, you and me both. I've never had that before.
I know, I've never had so many triples, and it's only a $3 bet, so it's not even. But you would think you'd get that many on like a big bet, like the max bet.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm not. I'm on the min bet on 100 lines.
Oh.
Nice. That was great.
Taking it tight there?
Yeah. Girls. Oh, we like that.
Even better.
Yeah. Yeah. I had a couple not great ones, and then I've been kind of hanging even after that. Yeah.
Your Texas sisters are going to that other one, right? Not this one. Yeah.
They go to both actually.
Oh, do they?
Come on, save it.
One more.
Thank you.
Nice.
I need to fill this up so I
Keep going,
can
Kel. Oh my gosh, yes, fill it up.
save my husband from himself and his trip.
So you're saying there's a chance?
do it again. Oh, right now. That would have been beautiful. We were one away. How cool would that have been?
When I walked into the house, the machines I was seeing were on fire and the other $5 bet. I was like, damn, it's all about timing. I was super happy for them.
$10? Oh, nothing.
Nice work, showing up on the bloody.
Do it. Got it again. On the $3 bet again. I'm bouncing around. I get on the 3. All right. Let's do that. Let's do the 100x again. Can we do that? Oh, bunnies. Oh, the stupid 9s again. Dang dumb 9s. Oh, I'm shocked you weren't 9s. 9s actually would have helped me that time. All right, kings at least, right? Honey. Oh, no. She didn't help me over there. Money. Oh, this bonus is no bueno. Oh, $9. Oh, that was a tough cookie.
It's hard when she set her expectations already.
Yeah. She's like, just spread the other one out. Oh, man. One away. Big bet. Big bet. Big bet. Nothing. Hey, I got $2.50 back. Oh, that's big. That's a big one.
You're killing it.
I needed this little singing boy. Alright, how much y'all think? I'll count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, $155. Do that again, girlfriend. Oh, maybe the 100 lines is working for me today. I'm always like, oh, I like the 100 lines. Do that thing again on the $10 bet. Oh, one more time, $10. No more times, $10.
I just got the triple mini on the 25 cents.
Nice.
375 back.
That's amazing. All right, we're about to switch denominations ourselves. All right. That's a tough one. Tina's on Kung Fu Master. She just got triple mini on 5 cents.
You know me, I like a challenge.
Let's go to 50 lines here and see if that helps. Oh, do that. Do it. Do it. Oh, man. All right, right now, I think I'm at 200 and we're 300 ahead, but we're going to keep going. Three more. Ah, it sounded so good. Oh, those would have been great. All right, last bet on this denomination.
So were you playing the 100 lines or the 50 lines on the one set?
100. I think we may go back to the pennies because that's where we were doing all right, huh? Because I only have $50 more that I want to spend. All right, let's go back there. I'll start with 50 lines. Go from $1.50 to 5. Oh, do it. We got it. All right. On a $2.50 bet. Pennies. That sounded good, huh? Oh, nice. the 50 lines, by the way. I don't know if I said that. Money, 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 money. Oh, nothing. Money, money. Yeah. At least we got the girls. We were able to get the jacks. Oh, for real, you stupid jacks. Oh, we got a re-trigger. Thank goodness. Because that was a terrible bonus. You see that? Ooh, we almost had another re-trigger. Monies? No monies. Can I get something, please? All right. I needed it. It was a terrible bonus so far. 12 games, I was only at $12. Let's think major. Major, major, major. I like the major. Oh. I really want that grand. $70. Oh, do it again. Aw, man. I want a whole screen of suns. All right, $88 there. A back-to-back would have been nice. All right, I'm gonna go to the 100 lines. Oh, do it again. All right, I got $100 to play around with, so I'm gonna go 10 cents. 250 bet, maybe? Maybe we get a triple minor. Ooh, nothing yet. Not even close to a line yet. There we go. Do it! Oh, $100 mini would have been sweet! Let me go to 50 lines. Same bet, so it'll be $5 nail go. No. Let's do a couple $5 bets. This had a $1,300 major right now. So I figured, hey, why not? Maybe it'll triple up for us. One more here, and I'm going back to pennies because that's where the win is. Unless, oh, it was right here and it bounced up. That would have been freaking awesome. Oh, come on. $13. Oh no, you just went over there.
I know.
Two more. All right, let's go to the 100 lines now. All right, I promise if you give me another one, I really will get off. She gave me another one, I still didn't get off. Oh, Lordy, Kel. All right, we got a little something, y'all. We got a little something. Come on. We got a little something again. Oh, man. Oh, I saw them pass. All right, I'm cashing out even money. Yay. All right, so that was awesome. 200 in, 400 out for a nice double up this morning. I'm actually having, pretty good luck this morning. I was telling Tina, I thought it was like 300 down for the whole morning, and now I just got 200 of it back. I could have cashed out even for the morning, but still want to play sometimes, right? Anyways, you guys give me a thumbs up on your way out, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.